Here we have the Pi weather pod. It's a CJH Airqual BME 680 Pi weather pod. What we're going to do, we're going to plug it in outside. It's a nice cold day today. We've had it running indoors for a while. Here we go. This lifts off nicely, and in there's obviously retaining brackets for it. So the sensor is in there, and we have a Pi 0W in the bottom, and we're just going to have a little play with this. There it goes. So this just nicely sits down. I put those corners in just to stop any twist, and there we have a bolt of lightning into the Pi weather pod. There we go. We've got the Pi weather pod inside the blue bucket. We've cut some ventilation holes, so it'll hopefully settle down shortly. Plugged in there. We're going to leave it running for about an hour just to see how we get on. It's a bit warmer in here. It's nippy as can be today, but there it is. Pi weather pod. There we are. We're on Joe's laptop, and we're going to log into the Pi. Here we go, Joe. Joe's doing what he's got to do.
8:05. Alright, let's do this. So, okay, so we go up a bit. There we go, and boop.
Oh,
300 DT, and there we go.
So about what the temperature is outside. Just removing the garbage data now. There we go. It is actually 1011. I've just checked the barometer, Joe.
Wow, that's pretty good.
So it's 7.37 degrees centigrade at the minute.
So we'll just leave it to it. Control A, Control D, we're out. Then we just exit and it will carry on in the background.
And this is just to show the accuracy of the Pi. This is our barometer in the hall, and that's reading about 1011 as well. Wow.